my dear students, I hope you all are doing well. Let's start our session 9 to practice the questions of lines and angles. I already made a video which will help you to understand lines, angles and their pair. So please go and watch before start this video. Link is in the description. Question number 1. In the given figure, AD and CF are the straight lines. Then find angle EBF. So students, let's check in the solution. Here AD and FC are intersecting at B, that you can check in the figure. Then angle ABC is equal to angle FBD, that is vertically opposite angles. Please write the reason wherever required. Then angle ABC is equal to FBD is equal to 120 because angle ABC is given 120. Therefore, angle FBD is equal to FBE plus angle EBD, that you can check from the image. It's given that FBD is a combination of FBE is equal to EBD. Now on substituting the given values, FBD we have a 120, FBE we need to find, and EBD that is already given in the 45. Then on calculating we got EBF is equal to 75, that is option C. Question number 2. If AB parallel to CD, then find the value of Y. So students, here angle G is given and angle H is given. So let's use the property, if AB parallel to CD, then their corresponding angles means angle BGH is equal to DHF. Now this you can find with the help of trick, that is called F trick, to find the angles when they are corresponding to each other. Now on equating both the angles, we have find that Y is equal to 39, that is option C. Question number 3. Which line is parallel to JI? So students, from figure we can say that total we have a 5 lines like AB, HG, JI, CD and EF, whereas all lines are intersecting to each other. And if we will observe, then JI and CD are not intersecting and EF as well. But EF and JI are not looking parallel to each other. So we can say that CD parallel to JI, that is option A. Question number 4. In the given figure, AB is parallel to CD and angle ECD is a right angle. Then find angle Y. So students, let's check from the figure. Here it is given AB parallel to CD. Then we can say that angle CAB plus angle DCA is equal to 180. Reason is co-interior angles. Then on substituting the value, here CAB, that is already given from the figure 22. DCA we need to find and its sum is 180. Now on solving we got DCA is equal to 158, but we need to find Y. Now let's check all the angles at a point C. Then angle ECD plus angle DCA plus angle Y is equal to 360. Reason is angle around a point is always equal to 360. On substituting all the values, we got angle Y is equal to 112, that is option B. Question number 5. In the given figure, if ABC is a straight line and angle DBE is a right angle and angle A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to D, find the value of angle A. So students, let's check in the solution. Here given as angle DBE is equal to 90 degree and all the angles means angle A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to D, and you need to find the value of angle A. Let's say all the angle be X. Now on adding all the angles, that must be equal to 180. Reason is angles on a straight line. On solving we got X is equal to 22.5. It means this is a value of angle A, that is option A. Question number 6. If two supplementary angles are in the ratio of 3:7, then find the difference between them. Let's check in the solution. Students, whenever the angles are given in ratio, let's say 3x and 7x, moreover it's given angles are supplementary, means their sum is 180 degree. On solving, we will get the value of x, that is x is equal to 18 degree. Now we can find the original number, means original value of the angles, that is 54, and second angle is 126. You need to find the difference, means you need to do subtraction, that is 72, and it's option D. Question number 7. Read the given statement and select the correct options. Here statement 1 is, if two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then each pair of corresponding angles are equal. Statement 2 is, if sum of all the angles around a point is 180. Now by solving these two statements, you need to find the correct answer. So let's check in the solution. So students, please recall the properties of transversal line. Here, if two parallel lines cut by a transversal, then each pair of corresponding angles are equal. Yes, here angle 1 will be equal to angle 3 and angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Therefore, statement 1 is true. Now, let's check for statement 2. Here, they have given sum of all the angles around a point is 180 degree. No, it's always equal to 360 degree. Therefore, statement 2 is false. Now, after checking all the option B will be your correct answer. Question number 8. In the given figure, SOT and POQ are straight lines. Then find the value of A and B respectively. So students, always use the information given in the question because it's given for some purpose. Then SOT is a straight line. Then angle SOQ plus angle QOT is equal to 180. Reason is linear pair. Then after substituting the given values, we got A is equal to 135. We need to find the value for B as well. Then let's check. As POQ is a straight line, then again angle 61, angle B, angle 45 is equal to 180. Reason is again linear pair. On finding the for value of B, we got B is equal to 74. Now we have A is 135 and B is 74. Now let's check the option, that is option B. Question number 9. In the given figure, if PQ is parallel to ST and AB is a straight line, then angle BST. So students, let's check the solution. We have extended PQ and ST to make it parallel. As given, PQ parallel to ST, then angle PQS must be equal to QST. Reason is alternate interior angles. Therefore, angle QST will also 98 degree. Now, angle QSA plus angle AST, from the figure it should be equal to 98. Then QSA, that is given 28, and AST we need to find. It must be equal to 98. On solving, we got AST is equal to 70 degree. Now let's check the given, that is AB is a straight line. Then angle AST plus angle TSB is equal to 180. Reason is linear pair. Then 70 plus angle TSB is equal to 180. On solving, we got equal to 110. That is option A. Question number 10. In the given figure, if AB parallel to CD parallel to EF, then which of the following statement is true? Here figure is given and statements are given. Now we need to solve each statement one by one and find which one is correct. Now AB parallel, we have extended AB and EF to make it parallel. Now if AB parallel to CD parallel to EF, then EF parallel to CD and AB parallel to EF as well. Now in the statement 1, it's given that A is equal to B, but if AB parallel to EF, then A plus B must be equal to 180 because it look like a co-interior angle, not A is equal to B. Therefore, statement A is incorrect. Now let's check for the B. In B, it's given B plus C is equal to 180 degree, but they are not forming linear pair anywhere. So again, B statement is incorrect. Let's check for the C. Now here C is equal to D. Yes, here EF parallel to CD and C is equal to angle D because reason is alternate interior angles. Again, let's check for the D option as well. Here A plus B plus C is equal to 360. Again, it's a correct because they are not angle at a point. Therefore, correct option will be option C. Dear students, please watch both the videos of lines and angles thoroughly to clear your all doubts. We'll see you in the next video where we'll practice more questions of same chapter. Till then, goodbye.